In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. A drop-down lets people pick from a preset list, which keeps your data consistent and avoids typos. It's perfect for things like status trackers, categories, priorities, or any field where you want clean, uniform entries. Start by choosing exactly where you want the drop-down to appear. Click to highlight a single cell, or click and drag to select a range if you want the same menu in multiple places. You can also select an entire column below a header to apply the drop-down to every row you'll use. Taking a moment to select the right cells now will save you time later, because the settings you apply will cover everything you've highlighted. Once your cells are selected, right-click anywhere inside that selection and choose drop-down from the menu. You'll find this option near the bottom of the right-click menu. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a right-click button, a two-finger click or a control click works the same way. Selecting drop-down opens a setup panel on the right side of your screen where you'll define what people can choose. In that side panel, type the options you want to appear in the list. Add each option as its own entry, keeping the wording short and clear so it's easy to scan. Think about the order. What you type first will typically be the default choice when someone clicks into the cell. For example, you might list items from most common to least common, or in the order a process usually happens. Consistent capitalization also helps your sheet look polished and makes filtering and sorting more intuitive. If you're collaborating with others, consider using terms everyone already understands to reduce confusion. You can always refine the list later, but starting with clear choices makes adoption smoother. When your options look good, click Done. Your highlighted cells now have a small arrow on the right, letting you know the drop-down is active. Click a cell and choose from the list to see it in action. If you selected multiple cells earlier, they'll all use the same menu, which keeps entries uniform across your sheet. That consistency makes filtering, charting, and summary formulas far more reliable. If you ever need to adjust the choices, simply open the same drop-down setup again and edit the list. Changes apply to the selected cells. And that's it. Simple, clean, and incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building smarter sheets with drop-down menus.